We're just winging it. We're just winging it, Packout Princess here. So I'm gonna make JakeOfALL put an air filter in my car, a cabin air filter in my car. Right, JakeOfALL?
What? What?
Yeah.
Where are you recording?
Guys, you're gonna get in the car. I'm gonna tell you what to do, and you're just gonna do it.
Okay.
We're gonna try to do this.
We'll
see if like marriage following directions works.
Can I ask what the? See, this is a woman's car. Like, what the actual?
I bet you all those receipts are from him though.
Okay, so what? You're gonna start what? Teaching me how to do videos?
I'm just gonna instruct you. We're gonna do like simple tasks.
Where did you learn it from?
I watched the YouTube video.
Oh, so you're gonna regurgitate a YouTube video?
Yes, I'm gonna regurgitate the YouTube video, and we'll see if we can follow the directions and not mess anything up. Okay. So I'm gonna flip this around, and we're gonna get
hold
started.
on. There's one question though.
Okay, what's up?
It's the cabin air filter, right?
Yeah.
And you said something about the glove box.
It's
right?
in the glove box. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm really confused. Aren't we married?
Yeah, those aren't mine. This is not my car. I don't own this car. You own this car.
These aren't mine.
Those are mine.
Why do you have time?
Those are mine. Look, he's already not listening to directions because he's wanting to like touch stuff. Okay.
What next now?
Okay, so this little guy right here.
Yeah.
You have to. You're gonna push it in. Push it in. You gotta push the button in. Yeah, you gotta push the little thing in.
The thing.
The thing in the middle. You gotta put. There's like a button in there. You gotta push.
There's no button.
Okay, you gotta push it in and then lift it up and slide it out. There you go. There you go. See, we can follow directions. Okay. Now this will come down more. Yeah, you gotta push it in. See, just like that. Okay.
This is why I took this.
Look. Okay, now see, that whole thing has to. Nope, just pull the whole thing down. Yep, pull the whole thing down. Gentle with it because it's gotta go back in there.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Now there's a screw somewhere. I don't know where the screw is. Oh yeah, I see it. What are you doing?
What the hell is this? Oh, it's where this goes.
Oh, look at that! That's where the manual goes.
Oh.
We should put the condoms in there. Okay, hang on. I gotta hit pause because I gotta look at it for a second.
Okay.
Okay, so we're back recording. Let's see if this works.
Shouldn't you be doing this? I'm on my knees.
I know. This is your job.
The question is,
I'll tell you what to do.
will this reach all the way up in there?
Oh, let's hope.
Even with the bit holder attached.
Whoop whoop.
Oh, okay. I see it. I got it. Holy.
Let's see how dirty it is. And you gotta keep pulling it.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh. I can already see it.
Okay.
Okay, here, bring it down here so we can see it.
That's pretty dirty, actually. Okay, where's the new one?
It's over here. Okay, let me hit pause. Okay, so we're doing a before. Was this the old one, right? Old, gross, nasty. And this is the new one. Look. And now it is gray, but that's like, it's supposed to be gray, whereas this one is not supposed to be gray.
Okay.
All right, so you gotta slide that puppy back up in there.
Just,
And remember, the airflow goes that way because the air comes from the outside of the car into the car.
arrows towards
the driver's seat, yes.
So I got to take something big and cram it in a small spot.
You're really good at that. I mean, I would like to think it's small. The bagel, not roast beef.
Oh my. Okay, so
Yeah, you gotta shove it up in there.
let me get it situated. Okay.
We're gonna be breathing some brand new air here. And they said if you have to like bend it, that's okay. But it'll big things in tight spaces. There you go. And then it'll hang down and that's okay. And then you put the little thingy back up.
Okay, so we'll let this thing now.
Yeah, that thing, the black thingy that you took off goes back in and you gotta screw it back together. The black thingy goes in on the black thingy and then the screw goes in the screw hole.
Is that all the technical terms that they said?
Yep, that's my technical terms.
Okay. In the dark.
Yep.
Seems straightforward. Alright, I can't see the hole. I'm usually good at getting stuff in the hole at dark.
Just feel around until it feels good. Alright, so now you got the thing back on. Oh my god. And you got the screw back in. Shoo! Okay, now you gotta fold all that stuff back into there.
And just stuff the innards back in it?
Stuff the innards back in it.
Okay.
And then that you got to flip that back up. Make sure the arm is out before you put it.
Did I?
Nope, the arm.
I'm not.
Oh,
Did
okay.
I put that thing in there?
Yep.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, so pull the arm out.
the arm.
Yep, and then you got to push in, and then yep, and then let me get around here. Yep, just like that. Woohoo!
Okay, now we put the
Yep, put
stuff
all the
back in here.
papers. Yep, and the
Condoms.
yep, yeah. Don't leave those on the sun. That's bad. So you have to.
Okay.
Woohoo!
So that's it.
That's it.
All right. So
What do we think? Did we do a good job?
cabin air filter. And what year is this Mustang?
2017.
2017.
Did we do good?
Yeah, and this one.
Whew.
That's what we put in.
Yep.
Pretty simple.
Yeah.
There's a part number.
I think it's pool time now.
Yeah, that's actually a freaking great idea. So if you guys like this format where I don't look up a video and she tells me how to do it, comment below.
Because we've got technical terms that we like to do with
Yeah,
it.
she's got some great thingies and the stuff and the whatever.
put the
I
thing
said,
in the
what size
hole
bit?
and-
And she goes, I don't know, a screwdriver. What was it, like a T23?
T20. It was like a
T20.
T20, I think.
Awesome.
Okay.
Cool.
Woo!
Let's go do stuff on the Raptor.
No,
JakeOfALL out.
it's pool time.
Pool
Peace
time.
out. Bye.